Hey guys, it's Mel, and this is my mobile lesson plan. So what I would use is actually Quizlet. I used Quizlet in high school. I would use it for my Italian class, and I found it really helpful, and I think it'd be very helpful for social studies. So what I did mine's on, I did flashcards, and what I did mine's on was on civil rights leaders. So Martin Luther King, and then you click leader of the civil rights, Muhammad Ali, Rosa Parks, W.E.B. Du Bois, stuff like that. One reason I really like Quizlet is because it gives you more than one option. So you can choose like to test yourself. Let's just wait for it to load. You can choose to test yourself. You have these like fill these questions, short answer questions, the fill in the blank questions, multiple choice questions. It gives students a lot of different options to help them, I guess, learn better. That's one option I like. The other option I like is the match. I think matching games are great for memory. They help associate words with definitions, like kind of like an index card, but this is more visual. Yeah, as you see here, it's kind of like creative and whatnot. There's different blocks. You have to put them together. You're even timed on it, so you know how long you take. Let's see what other feature. Another feature. The writing, spelling. I definitely think that Quizlet is something that should be incorporated for social studies, just because social studies is one of those classes with a lot of terms. There's a lot of definitions people have to remember, and a lot of things that sometimes can get slipped over somebody's head. So I feel like by using Quizlet, it can really help you associate those definitions, because at the end of the day, history is all about memory. It's what you remember. So if you don't remember something specific, it can ruin the whole timeline of that historic period. So it's important to have those definitions and to have those, just to have those definitions, I guess. There's also this game Gravity. I didn't know this was a feature, but yes, protect the planet from oncoming asteroids. Let's see. Oh yeah, you see, perfect. I know another perfect example. By writing an answer down, you get this little game here. So it's different ways of learning, and I think it's great because it's also set for people with all types of different learning styles. It's not just set for one person where they're just learning from reading the words. It's for people who play games, it's for people who are better at testing, it's for people who are better at multiple choice questions or a short answer, just index cards. I feel like Quizlet is something that is used. I think Quizlet is something that should be used. I would use it in my class just because it's something that it's for everybody. It's a little something for everybody. Everybody can